family. Hey, it is Tuesday. I have gotten me a burst of energy and I'm going to run with it. All right, you guys. Today we're going to do a Poblano spicy green spaghetti. A lady that I know had cooked this and she had let me taste it. And when I tell you, oh my Lord, it was really good. So I want to introduce it to you guys. Okay, let's get with the ingredients. You're going to need 2 green, well, Poblano peppers, or green, 2 Poblano peppers. You're going to need a box of thick spaghetti. You're going to need heavy whipping cream. Boy, I'm getting my use out of this heavy whipping cream. You're going to need Mexicana crema. You're going to need, really you need 2 chicken bouillons, but I only had 1 and I was not about to go back to the store. So the real ingredients call for 2, but I'm only using 1. You will need Parmesan cheese. You will need fresh garlic. You will need Philadelphia cream cheese. You will need cilantro. You will need some tabasco, which is optional. And you will need 1 Roman tomato, which is also optional. All right, you guys. You want to wash 6 minutes. I turned them on the other side. So what you're going to do now is take, this is a freezer bag, and I'm going to put the Poblano peppers in here and let them sweat for about, all family, I am back. I did the peppers for about 12 minutes till they was blistered. Then I put them in a freezer bag and let them sweat. So that way I could peel the blister part off and take the seeds out. So this is how it should look, just like this. Once you peel the blister off and take the seeds out, and I see a couple of seeds here. All right, let me give you guys the measurements before I really forget, all right? Okay, let me wipe my hands here. Hate sticky hands. Okay, I have 1 Roman tomato, diced and de-seeded. As I stated, this is optional. I have 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. I have 1.5 cups of Mexican crema. I have 3 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves that I minced up. I have 1/3 cup of Parmesan shredded cheese. I have 1/4 cup of water with 1 bouillon cube in it, chicken bouillon. It really should be 2 bouillons, but you guys, I only had 1. So I'm going to use what I have. We also are going to need 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, or you can use milk. Please do not use 2% milk. Use whipping cream or use whole milk. A splash of tabasco, which is also optional. All right, you guys, let me just kind of slice the Poblanos up. And we're putting all of this in a food processor, except the tomatoes, because it's going to be a Poblano sauce for our spaghetti. I hope everyone is having a good Tuesday. You know, Thursday, as they would say, is Valentine's Day or Sweetheart Day. I had another pretty cool idea for Valentine's Day that I'm hoping I can share it before Valentine's Day. And you guys do know that this was 2 poblano peppers that I charred the skin. All right, we're just going to put that in there. So we're really just going to dump everything. All right, we're going to add the cream cheese. The only thing we're not going to put in is the tomatoes. Okay, here is the Mexican crema. You guys, I tried this. It is so good. I mean, it is smooth. It really tastes better than sour cream. All right, move this out of the way. Here is the 3 tablespoons of cilantro. Let's get that. Here is the 2 garlic cloves that I messed up. And I'm going to salt and pepper it after I blend it up. All right. Here is the Parmesan cheese. Here is the 1/4 cup with the 1 bouillon. It really should be 2, you guys. Okay. And we're going to do 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I got a lemon out just in case we need some acidity for this. We'll see. All right. Now, it might be kind of hard for you guys to hear me once I turn this on. All right, let's rock and roll with this baby. Of tabasco. Now let's do 3. I'm going to say we're going to use, let's say 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Just a little more. It needs some. And we're going to use, let's go with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, let's blend this baby up again. See where we're at. I'm just going to do maybe 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, which I am going to squeeze. Make sure I catch all the seeds. Okay, let's do it one more time. Then I will show you guys. You guys are going to really enjoy this spaghetti, I promise you. It is creamy, it is spicy. Okay, not gonna get me this time, haha. Because this should be it. All right, let's try it one more time. Woo! That did it. The 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice just brought everything out. Okay, I want you guys to see this. Hope you guys can see it in the light. It is beautiful, you guys, and it tastes so good. All right, I'm going to do the spaghetti, and we're going to cook it probably, let's say 8 minutes. 8 to 9 minutes. We don't want it, we don't want it really mushy. So let's just do 8 minutes. Then I'll come back and we'll put this baby together. Hey, you guys, I had let the spaghetti cook for about 8 minutes. And what you want to do, you want to take a colander and you want to drain all the water off. You see? And you want to add the sauce while it's hot. Let me tell you a mistake that I sometimes make that I'm not going to do this time. I'm going to put a certain amount of the spaghetti in the bowl first to make sure that I can really sauce it nicely. Because one time I just poured all the spaghetti and it came out dry. And I was like, oh no, I didn't like that. So let's try this. You know something? I think I'm skilled enough to know that this would be okay. All right. Let me get a fork. And I want to hurry up and add the sauce so the pasta won't be sticking. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, wow, you guys, you see that? Yum! Yum, yum, yum! Okay, I have to get this off. All right, now let's just toss it gently. Oh, oh wow. Oh, you can smell the garlic. And guys, I was just gonna eat this just by itself, but what I think I am going to add a few shrimps that I'm just going to saute. I'm not going to mix it in here. I'm just going to put it on my bowl. But I want you guys to see this. It is sauced so nicely. Okay, I see a few spots there. Let's just add a little more. And if you have extra sauce, don't throw it away. Just put it in a bowl, put it in the refrigerator. So in the morning, if you have any pasta left and you need to reheat it, you can just add some more of, okay. Now let me taste it. Look at her, you guys. Let me taste it to make sure I don't need to add any more salt or black pepper. And I did salt the water to the spaghetti. Come on. All right, you guys, this is pretty hot. Okay. Since I added excuse me, you guys, since I added the spaghetti, we're going to need a little more salt. I'm gonna say another teaspoon. Another teaspoon. And I'll check it one more time. But the poblanos and the crema, oh my God. And the garlic, it just stands out. Okay, I really think this should be it, you guys. So I will say 2 teaspoons of salt once you mix the spaghetti and the sauce. All right, let me plate this baby up and I'll show you how I'll serve it. We're done.